The Job Readiness Workshop is a program that teaches the students how to respond to interview questions by giving them a foundation to work off from. We provide short lectures, interactive and group activities, techniques and methods to answer questions, and to prepare for an interview. Our goal is to teach our students what the interviewer's goal is and how to answer questions confidently.
I was really interested in the program because I knew how much it would help me in the future because I'm headed to college soon. So just like being able to have all these things that they're teaching us already in my head, it makes it much easier when I'm more independent.
One skill I learned from the Job Readiness Workshop was how to be a good worker, not just physically, but mentally.
My favorite memory was definitely our mock interviews. It was a lot of fun, and I think it really helped ease me for the actual interview. It made me feel a little bit less nervous about it.
I really started out as an introvert, and I feel like I've definitely stepped out of my comfort zone. Everyone was just really welcoming, and that really helped me take on new challenges and just really have a drive to improve myself.
My favorite memory was probably experiencing how to do resumes and cover letters. We had to do like examples of it, and it really helped me to do my interview.
I think I was selected as an intern because of my talkative attitude. I liked to go to different people and talk to them about different ideas, and I was very social with people.
My favorite memory was hanging out and communicating with everyone in the office. I liked the environment there, and it was like really positive.
One thing that my mentor taught me that was very helpful was understanding to communicate better with everybody, because it does not work well if most people aren't communicating with each other.
My mentor Leslie, she would have me do different activities and helping with certain planning events, go to different contractors and understand different parts of the workplace.
I would definitely recommend this program to future students because it really puts you out there as someone in your community who wants to step up and be a leader. And it also just looks really good in terms of like resumes. It's really nice to show that you're being there for your community and showing up for the people that you care about locally.